we're going to take a look at how to diagnose the ABS slide on a Volvo. And right here you can see the ABS slide is on right there, and over here if you press read on the side you can see that the ABS anti-skid service is required. So what you'll need is you'll need an OBD2 scanner that can read Volvo specific codes. A generic OBD2 scanner will not allow you to read those codes. Down here we have the OBD2 port, that's the diagnostic port. So go ahead, turn on the ignition after you have plugged in the scanner. Then you go to diagnostic, you press enter, or select Volvo here, enter. And we'll do automatic search instead of scrolling down and selecting the model you can detect. And here we press enter again. It'll go through all the various Volvo modules and see what is installed on this car. So it's going to show us those modules. But we could technically have gone to select module and go directly to ABS. But you wait for a few minutes. Once all these systems are scanned, then we'll go into the ABS control module and read the codes. So you can see here, you can scan engine, transmission, CEM, steering angle sensor, and a lot more modules. Down here you can see there's 18 modules that are installed in this vehicle, but we are interested on the ABS. So we'll go to ABS, press enter, and then here we can read codes. Wheel sensor right rear. So you can see the back sensor there is probably needs to be replaced. It could be the wire harness, but at least you have an idea what's going on. You only have one code, and that's what that ABS light is on in this case. Now once you do fix the problem, you can come back in here and you can press OK and erase the codes.